Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing about the time, that is synchronization. What is synchronization? It is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to any resource. Okay, we have two methods, implicit wait and explicit wait. When we go for implicit wait and when we go for explicit wait. If we use implicit wait, it's going to provide a synchronization for entire script. Okay, it's going to provide a time limit for entire script. If we use explicit wait, we can provide a certain single element to visible or particular element. If we use an entire script to wait, you have to use implicit wait. Okay, and it is helpful and it tells the WebDriver to wait for certain amount of time when trying to find an element. Okay, if they are not available in DOM, it passes certain amount of time. Okay, the syntax is d.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait. Wait, we have to pass time and duration of seconds. Okay, time and time units, and it is the Selenium 3 syntax. Fine. What is D? D is a driver object. Okay, driver object. What are the drivers we have? Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Edge driver, right? We have drivers. First, create that object. Create object to drivers. And then in WebDriver interface, we have a method and that method name is called as manage. And that method is called manage. Manage is a method defined in a WebDriver. Okay, this is going to get options. Okay, this WebDriver.options is a interface. Okay, WebDriver.options is a interface. In that interface, we have a method. That method is called timeouts. Again, this method defined in WebDriver.timeouts interface. And it's going to define WebDriver timeouts interface. Again, this WebDriver timeouts have implicitly wait, and that method is called as implicitly wait. It specifies the amount of time the driver should wait when searching for an element. Okay, the driver has to wait for the element if it is not present. Okay, this is the Selenium 3 syntax. T is a driver object, manage is a method, and timeouts is the method. Implicitly wait is also a method. Okay, in Selenium 4 syntax, we are using Selenium 4, right? Here time and time unit is deprecated. Selenium 4 syntax is just duration of seconds. D dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait. We have to pass duration of seconds, and it is the Selenium 4 syntax. What is implicitly wait? If element is not present in the DOM and it has to wait, it waits the driver to find that element is present or not. Okay. Okay. In Selenium 4 the parameter is change. In Selenium 3 we have passed 2 parameters. But now Selenium 4 we have passing only one parameter. Both are going to specify the amount of time the driver should has to wait. Okay. If element is present, then it goes to next line. If element is not present, then it gives an exception. It returns an exception. If element is not present, then it going to give exception. Element not present exception. Right? For example, maximum time as I have given 60 seconds. I want to find the element which is not present in the DOM. Within time it is loading for to search that element is present or not. It is loading. If given 60 seconds has completed and the element is not present in the DOM, it returns an exception. Fine. Did you understood about the implicit wait? Where exactly we are going to use and how to use? It's very simple. To handle Ajax demos, okay, Ajax controls, we are using implicit wait and explicit wait. Okay, Ajax stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Okay. Fast and time. Here a second wait also gives an exception. Why? Because our web page is not synchronized with the script. That's why we have to use synchronization. By implicitly wait, WebDriver pulls the DOM for a certain duration when we are trying to find an element. Okay, this can be useful when certain elements on the web page are not available immediately and need some time to appear or need some time to load. Okay, let's go with the example. Here we have 4 drop downs. There is no values in city, state and branch. When we are going to get the state value? By selecting the bank name. Okay. After selecting the bank name, we are coming to get the city and state branches. So for this one, for this Ajax, we are going to use synchronization. And are you clear with the synchronization and where we are using the synchronization? Fine. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions or feedbacks, you can write in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.